Blah, 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 blah. Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video, part of my Willy Wonka series, part of my 31 days of Halloween. This look right here is my candy queen. All hail the candy queen, the glitter queen, candy glitter queen.
Hold your breath. Make a wish. Count to 3. Come with me, and you'll be in a world of pure imagination. Take a look, and you'll see into your imagination.
So I figured that I had to do a candy look part of my Willy Wonka series because it's all about candy. We did a chocolate look, we did some really fun, creative, colorful looks, and I wanted to bring this one to you. I literally bought so much candy, and specifically Willy Wonka candy. It was a box of like all different kinds of candy, but there was all of the Willy Wonka candy in there. There was Laffy Taffy, there's Jawbreakers, Nerds, like so many different kinds of candy in there, and the candy's actually sitting outside my door. I don't know if people trick-or-treat in apartments, but I immediately bought all that candy when I had the idea for this look, and I made this really cool candy crown out of Nerds, glitter, lots of glitter, and pixie sticks. I just basically like weaved them in together, broke a couple. If you guys saw my Instagram stories, we did kill a couple pixie sticks, but I love the way that it came out, and I love the way that this look came out. Just something different and super candy inspired. So I hope you guys like this tutorial, and if you want to see how I got it, then just keep on watching. Alright guys, starting off with a bare face and my hair already curled. I'm just filling in my brows really quick. We've been just like starting off all the same here. I'm gonna prep my eyes with some eye primer, and then we're gonna jump right into the Morphe Brushes James Charles palette. I'm gonna use all of these shades right here. I'm starting off with the orange shade, and then I am blending the red and the pink together to create kind of like the same shade as the pixie stick crown. And then I cut the crease on the lid and added the 2 blues and mixed them together, and then I added this gorgeous Lit Cosmetics glitter right on top. If you haven't seen it, I have a giveaway. You guys can win the entire Halloween bundle for Lit Cosmetics on my Instagram. The giveaway is until Halloween, so make sure you go and enter it ASAP. And I do have a coupon code with Lit Cosmetics. Guys, don't make any money off of it, just want to share the love. The code is just my name, Julia, Julia. You guys can find a ton of my codes in my description of every one of my YouTube videos. So make sure to check that out. I love glitter, so I just had to share. So we're just finishing off the eyes with the liner, lashes, all that fun stuff, and then we moved on to the face. I'm just doing a normal face routine with just different products and different brushes and all that fun stuff. And then I'm gonna add some blush to all the parts of my face. And then I'm going to add some purple shadows underneath of my eyes and some mascara. I then decided to add some blue and some purple and more of that blush and a little bit of orange shadow all over my like contour area, my neck, my face. And then I made all of these little swirls out of MAC pigment in silver, and also they're made out of, not MAC pigment in silver, they're made out of hot glue. And then I painted them with that pigment from MAC. So I'm just placing those all over my entire body, and then I am adding some dots that I also created with hot glue and a ton of jewels. I then took this Dazzle liner from MAC, and I'm just gonna do like a half cut crease kind of thing with it on my eyes, and then I'm adding little freckles and dots all over my entire face. I then took this Boogie Wonderland glitter from Lit Cosmetics, added it underneath my eyes, and then I added this Artist Couture Coco Loco shade all over my entire face and body too. So for the hair, yeah, I put nerds in it. Don't do that. I didn't think about it, but basically the gel melted the sugar away from the nerds, and it got so sticky and so gross, so don't do it. Save yourself. I added just more glitter and pigment to my hair, put on the crown, and this is the final look, guys. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for tuning in and watching. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. Comment your favorite candy down below in the comments. I want to know what your favorite candy is. Mine, when it comes to chocolate, I like basic Hershey bars and like Hershey Kisses. But when it comes to, I mean, granted, I like a lot of other stuff too, but that's like, you know, what I would choose. When it comes to like sugar, like sugar, I love sour stuff. Like that, give me the Sour Patch, give me the Sour Now and Laters, give me like all the sour things. I love candy, so we could be here all day. We could. But comment your favorite candy down below in the comments. As always, subscribe to me right here and check out all my other videos right here. I love you guys so much, and I will see you tomorrow.